Siguro akong maingon na lang kay kanang murag daghan naman ka na-meet o ma-meet pa na friends. Murag kamo ni Sid 8 years na tas kita murag katungha lang ato. Pero I believe naman na real friendship is not measured on how long you've known each other but how long you can remain as friends. And I hope we can remain friends next year, 5 years from now, 10 years maybe, when we have our own families, our own kids, kanang tiguwang na ta, hantod na di na nato ma-remember kung kanus aba jud ta nag-meet. Naalala ba nimo tong first ta nag-meet? Kaya ako wala. Mao gaya ng utana ko, di ba? Pero naalala ng how the way you made me feel. I always knew you were different in a good way. I mean, all of you, the geeks, you guys were different, individually and as a group. You have touched my life in the most uncertain and magical way. I mean, from that day that you asked my name in class, from this point in my life, the most amazing feeling I've ever had. How it can make me laugh or how it can make me sad. I don't know if you know what I'm feeling or you felt it. I mean, siguro mauning ma-experience sa mga una bago lang nag-18, human maghatag og birthday message sa nag-celebrate sa iyang 18th birthday. Murag, hindi mo maiwasan maisip na, hala, paspasa lang be, uy. Masaya maisip na ako na, did I live well? Kana bang kung paunsa na spent akong 17 years, worth it ba? Kung i-flashback to tanan, ganahan ba sa ako makita? And then, kalit na lang na ako maisip na ako family, ako mga ate, kamo, ikaw. Makahilak na lang ko. Human, murag, nga naman nag-doubt ko kung ganahan ba ko sa past 17 years na ako na naaman mo dito. I mean, it was all worth it. I did live the past 17 years of my life really well. I've spent it really well. I just wish I had more time. Not to make it longer or to experience it or to change anything, but more time to say thank you and sorry to everyone, to all the people who were there. I hope dan karong gabi yung makalimtan or wala nimo nakalimtan mga pasaylo o salamat sa tanan sa imong mama kay I know naga-work hard siya para nimo. I know na there's nothing else in her mind but what's best for you. Sa imong mga amigo na naapirmi, suporta o mga amigo na wala dira kay walay pang palit og plane ticket. Man, sa tanan, be it someone good or bad, kay these people made you who you are today. No, and no matter what the result, is be thankful. And of course, never forget God, the only one who witnessed everything. Tarandara, taran lingaw-lingaw, taran hilak-hilak, taran uyab-uyab, siya lang gyud ang naapirmi. Dan, kanang usahay na mag-chat ta human pangutan-on ko nimo about life, kumusta na ko, mga ingana, always na naga-worry ko or kanang marag na I doubt na basi someday dili na ta maka pag-istorya kanang basi wala na tong long deep serious talks, wala tong uy yat unsa pa jud imong feeling kay ano ani ana. Makamingaw lang. Hala, nasamuka na siguro mga tao dira sa ako no. Ana siguro mo kinsa man ni gwapa oy sig storya. Pero last na ni Dan. Dan, dili man ko present dira karon. Pero I will never allow na you will feel my presence. Naalang ko diri permanente sa screen. For now. Pero, areo, hug, o kiss. Happy 18th birthday, Danessa, and more years to come. I am so proud of what you have become, and I know everyone there agrees with me. Finally become a woman of every man's dream, just like me. Joke. I love you so much, and I miss you to bits. Remember, starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Antay lang ng mga gigs na wala gatuon na mag-uli ko ba? Kay maabot lagi kong Jensen kay mag door to door lagi ko. Bantay lang jud mo ba? Ano di man ko makauli.